Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video on these tow hooks that I purchased from ZL1 Add Ons for my C7 Z06. I have a 2015 Z06 and I wanted to add some tow hooks. So I got the front, which is the longer, and then the rear, which is the shorter one. I also got the feather light models, which are substantially lighter than the premium ones they have, and I actually aren't even probably going to take my car to the track. This is mainly for show. I think they look kind of cool, so it might be kind of a bit of a poser there, you might think, but I think it looks cool. I have a red Corvette, thought these would match it, but I got a scale here. We can see how much they weigh. This is the front. Beautiful looking finish though. I mean, it's really impressed with the quality of these. But let's get my scale turned on, see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the weight there, but we'll put that one on there. We're looking at 1 pound, 5.5 ounces. And then we'll do the rear. We got, what's that, about 13 ounces. So you shouldn't add too much weight to the Corvette. I haven't had the chance to weigh the premium ones that aren't the feather light, but you know, I would just consider them to be heavier. So if any of you know what the weight is for the feather or the standard premium tow hooks, let me know. I'd be interested in knowing. So anyways, let's get to my car and install these guys. All right, taking the long one, I was told you just have to lift up on the grill plastic piece just a little bit to make it fit. And then it should just go in straight and twist in. So let's see how it goes. I know certain Z06s, or I think if you had a 2000, this is a 2015, and if your Z06 was like manufactured before July, it didn't have the reciprocal for the tow hook, but luckily mine did. I double checked before I ordered them. Let's see. I don't feel it catching yet. All right, I got it, the first couple threads going. It was a little bit of a job. I had to lift up on this grill piece just a little bit more and then angle the actual shaft arm a little bit off center. But now it's starting to thread. Can't say it's spinning super easy in there, but it's going. I'm just gonna keep going until it bottoms out. There it is. So I guess back it off, push it down, and there we are. I wish it was more center. As you can see, it looks good. I guess it looks good. But if you look at it from the top, it's actually, I guess it is center on the car. It's kind of an illusion. Looks like it's coming out at an angle a little bit. But I guess that looks pretty good. Sweet. All right, time for the rear. Okay, now we're at the rear of the vehicle, and on the driver's side, got a little door there. So I'm gonna try to pop that off using a flathead screwdriver with a shop towel. Wrap that around the flathead and then pry it off from the bottom there, and it should pop right out. All right, then we're gonna take the shorter tow hook. This one kind of goes down at an angle here. I would think you'd put it in straight, but actually you have to angle it down. This one looks like a lot easier to get to though. Oh yeah, that thread's a lot easier. That's probably as tight as I'm gonna be able to get it. Yeah, so I guess that's where it's gonna go. We'll drop it down. Pretty impressive though, the clearance. Let me show you the clearance. All right, yeah, if we get down, you can just see it's almost touching, but it's not touching right there. I mean, talk about a precision fit. I couldn't do one more rotation if I tried, but all in all, it's looking pretty sharp. The only thing I'm gonna add to this are those diffuser fins that go on the bottom bumper. That would look pretty cool with the tow hooks. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video on the ZL1 Add Ons Featherlight tow hooks. I didn't see too many videos on these tow hooks when I was going to order them for my Z06 Corvette, but I think they really are a nice accent for your C7Z or any Corvette that you have. So I was thinking about getting black ones, but I think the red ones pop a little bit. So anyways, hope to see you in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative or fun or helpful or anything like that. And leave your comments below. I'll respond to all comments. All right, take care.